Common ending sounds that Taiwanese says a lot. Number 1. Lei. What about?
baby， 今天晚餐我们要吃什么嘞？你想吃炒饭吗？
不要，
炒面嘞？
不要，
火锅嘞？
外面很热不要，
臭豆腐嘞？
那很油不要，
粥嘞？
不要，
面线嘞？
不要。
Number 2. 烦呢. 烦呢 means so annoying. Since different words combined with ne has different meanings, so I want you to just remember 烦呢 for that's so annoying.
下雨了。
烦呢，我还要走路去上班。
Go check out Slow Chinese, the account of teacher Lorraine to learn more.